What's up? My name is Lauren and this is my channel, and actually Lori. So today's video is going to be a quick one. I'm not even going to make it too long. Today's video is going to be an unboxing video of the Influenster #UncapTheLove Deeply Restoring Pracaxi Recovery Oil line by OGX VoxBox. I said a lot, but the proper name of the VoxBox is always in the title, and it will be in the description box. But as y'all know, Influenster is this online thing, pretty much survey website, and depending on your following count and your impact score, you may or may not get chosen for different campaigns. So to qualify for campaigns, all you will have to do is just take different surveys and stuff, and what you answer in your survey and your impact score, and those two things mostly will determine your eligibility for VoxBoxes. So what's in here, in any other VoxBox video I have from Influencer, I received 100% free, 100% complimentary. They sent it to me to pretty much review, but I like to, unbox it on my channel because content. But yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and open it. Alright, so this is how it comes. So before getting into it, so this is the Pracaxi oil line. I'm going to just read the card to you. Keep frizz and dryness away with a blend of Brazilian Pracaxi oil and muru butter. This collection provides deep hydration and shiny, natural-looking definition with a color-safe and anti-frizz formula that helps leave curls and waves silky smooth. XO OGX. So this is the Pracaxi oil line. So I'm just gonna, unbox it. This is the Deeply Restoring Pracaxi Recovery Oil shampoo and conditioner. This is the 60-second moisture treatment. And then this is the combing cream. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this freaking VoxBox. All of these products were sent to me free. Once again, I will be having a one product wash and go coming up very soon using this combing cream, so stay tuned for that. I want to use the whole line obviously, but I'm going to do a one product wash and go just to see how this really works, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, I guess that's it. That's the VoxBox. This is what I got. These 4 products: shampoo, conditioner, deep conditioner, and combing cream, all by OGX. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I already told y'all how y'all will qualify for a VoxBox. Just go and search Influencer and just see if you qualify. You don't have to make videos and stuff like I do. I do this because I want to. But you all want to get in on the freeness, especially during this pandemic. You can get stuff for free. You need to if you want to, But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Again, I done said that 100 times. But if you enjoyed the video, please give me a big thumbs up. Comment down below. Share this video with a friend. Stay tuned because I will have a review up for this line in a one product wash and go. So just stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. And I want to see y'all in my next one. Bye.